Hello, sorry. Hello, class 2. Hope you are all well. I'm also fine. Today's lesson is on Active English Workbook. Today we shall learn how to see time, understand time in the analog clock. I know you use digital clock, but we shall today learn about analog clock. Let's move on to our next slide. How to read wall clock. There are 12 numbers for showing hours. There are 60 minutes for showing minutes. 12টা নাম্বার থাকে আওয়ার শো এর জন্য এবং 60 মিনিটস থাকে 60টা নাম্বার থাকবে মিনিট শো করার জন্য and you know that 1 hour means 60 minutes. There is a long hand and there is a short hand. Again, oh my god, the long spelling is, I have problem with my eyes. Long spelling is wrong, L-O-N-G, correct it. And there is another hand which is short. And you will see in some clocks there are different color code, might be red. You can see it here also. This is second clock. But as you don't have it in your book, you don't have to read it, understand it. Okay, so let's see how it works. Step 1, see what is the number at the end of long hand. Long handed একদম শেষে কোন নাম্বারটা আছে? We can see it is 8. The small numbers are minutes number. It is on 8. And this long hand shows the minutes. Number 2, which side is in minutes number? এটা কোন সাইডে আছে মিনিটস নাম্বারের? হ্যাঁ, কোন সাইডে আছে মিনিটস নাম্বারের? বাম সাইডে, লেফট সাইড. Step 3, see what is the number at the end of small hand. স্মল হ্যান্ডের শেষে কোন নাম্বারটা আছে? We can see it 2. Step 4, put it together. First the short hand number, then the long hand number. এখন এগুলোকে আমরা একসাথে বলবো. প্রথমে আমরা বলবো ছোট হাতের নাম্বারটা এবং তারপর বলবো বড় হাতের নাম্বারটা. তাহলে কি হবে? 2 ঘন্টা, 2 বাজতে কয় মিনিট বাকি? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 মিনিট বাকি. 2 বাজতে 8 মিনিট বাকি. It is 8 minutes to 2. It is 8 minutes to 2. 8 to 2. You can also say 8 to 2. Okay, open your book. Active English, page number 59. Get ready, children. What time is it? Look at the clock. There are 2 hands, a big one and a small one. There are 12 hours. There are 60 minutes. We have already learned it. What time is it? It is 10 o'clock. It is in the next clock. You see the both hands are in 12. So it is 12 o'clock. In the right side, the short hand is in the number 12 and the long hand is in the number 1. So it is 5 past 12. 5 past 12 means 5 minutes past 12. 5 মিনিট চলে গেছে, 12টা বেজে 5 মিনিট। তারপরে ঘড়িটা দেখো, লেটস লুক অ্যাট দ্য নেক্সট ওয়াল ক্লক। I hope this is wall clock. It is 10 past 12. হ্যাঁ, 12টা বেজে 10 হয়ে গেছে, 12টা 10 বাজে। 10 past 12, 12টা 10। The short hand is in 12 and the long hand is on 2. Then look at the next watch. The short hand slightly crossed the 12 number because it is moving to 1. Slowly. And the long hand is on 3, so it is quartered. Quarter means 15 minutes. Quarter past 12. You have to learn all these terms. Quarter past 12, half past 12, বা half past 2, আড়াই ঘন্টা। আমরা যেমন বলি বাংলায় আড়াই ঘন্টা, 1.5 ঘন্টা। তারপরে কি আছে, 3:45। তারপরটা দেখো, let's look at the next one. The short hand is in between 12 and 1 and the long hand is in the number 4, showing the number 4. So it is 20 past 12. Next one is 25 past 12. 25, how they are counting? Hope you understand from this clock. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 11 12. So the minutes, they are counting the minutes. 25 minutes past 12, but they are not mentioning the minutes. They are saying 25 past 12. When you say time in English, you always have to say like this. এখন আমরা আসছি 12:30। ইংলিশ হচ্ছে half past 12. When the short hand is in between 12 and 1 and the long hand is on 6. This is not 9, this is 6, okay? But from your point of view, you may think it is 9. It is not 9, it is 6. তো 12:30কে বাংলায় বলা হয় half past 12। যে কোনো সাড়ে ইংলিশে হচ্ছে half past। The next clock, it is 25 to 1. Next one, it is 22 to 1. It is quarter to 1, 15 মিনিট। কোয়ার্টারের বাংলা হচ্ছে পৌনে। আমরা বলি 11:15 না, 11:01 বলি না, 11:01, যে কোনো পৌনে শব্দটাই হচ্ছে কোয়ার্টার। যদি 11:15 বাজতে 15 মিনিট বাকি আছে থাকে, quarter to 1। আর যদি quarter to 1, okay. It is 10 to 1. But next one is, it is 5 to 1. We shall read the words. Read aloud. Fly, flag, you know all the things from your EFT now. Flower. One is flower, ফুল না, বাংলায় ফ এর উচ্চারণ না, বাংলায় হচ্ছে ফ। ফুল, ফুলে ঢোলে। ফুল, এটা হচ্ছে ইংলিশ উচ্চারণ, ফ। বাংলায় ফটা কিন্তু আসলে ফ। প যোগ হ ফ ফুল ফুল ফ্লাওয়ার ফ্লাওয়ার মানে আটা ফ্লোর মেঝে ক্লক ঘড়ি ক্লাউড মেঘ ক্লথ কাপড় ক্ল্যাপ তালি দেওয়া ক্লেভার চালাক ক্লিন পরিষ্কার ক্লাস ইউ নো হোয়াট ক্লাস ইজ ক্লাইম মানে চড়া ক্লোজ মানে বন্ধ করা প্লেট মানে প্লেট প্লেগ্রাউন্ড মানে যে মাঠে খেলা হয় you must be hearing some dham 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 sound. There is a repair going on here, so please don't bother because I don't work in a studio. I work in my house, so they are repairing something in that room. This is the classroom. See, the classroom is different. Actually, it's a grown-up classroom, and in some countries, in the high school, you don't have to wear uniform, so they are wearing their own clothes. I don't know if you can remember your classroom, but we will see this classroom and we shall answer this question. Is there anyone in front of you in the classroom? Acha, let's remember your classroom. Is there anyone in front of you? If yes, write yes. If not, no, there is not. If yes, yes, there is. Is anyone behind you? If there is, write yes, there is. If there is not, write no, there is no, comma, there isn't. Is there anyone on your left? If there is, write yes, there is. If there is not, write there is not. Is there anyone on your right? If there is, write down yes, there is. If there is not, write down if there is not. No, there is not, sorry. Number 5. Is there anything on the blackboard? If there is, write down yes, there is. If there is no, write down no, there isn't. Is there anything on the wall? If there is, write down yes, there is. If there is no, not, write down no, there is not. 7. Is there anything on the desk? If there is, write down yes, there is. If there is not, write down no, there is not. 8. Is there anything on the floor? If there is, write down yes, there is. If there is not, write down no, there is not. I think you can answer these all the questions. Please do it yourself and send me the image. Some new words. Add মানে যোগ, সাবট্রাক্ট দিয়ে দিয়েছে এখানে সাইন মাইনাস, মাল্টিপ্লাই গুণ, ডিভাইড ভাগ করা। স্টার্ট উইথ 1 এক ধরো, অ্যাড 2 2 যোগ করো, সাবট্রাক্ট 3 মাইনাস করো, সাবট্রাক্ট 3। Is there anything left? No, there is not. 2. I won't tell the answers. You have to do the math yourself, okay? Let's see who can do this. Start with 3. 3 দিয়ে start করবা, আমি উত্তর বলবো না। Multiply by 2 2 দিয়ে গুণ করবে, subtract 5 মাইনাস করবে 5। কি আছে? If there anything left, answer if there is anything left, answer yes, there is. If there is nothing left, answer no, there isn't. Start with 4, add 6, divide by 4 দিয়ে স্টার্ট করবা, add 6 6 যোগ করবে, divide by 2 2 দিয়ে ভাগ করবে, subtract 5 5 বিয়োগ করবে। Is there anything left? You do the math. and send me the image. Okay, do your homework and send me the image. And you know we are using Rubik's class game. You have to cross level 2 by this week. Let's see who can cross level 2 by this week. Bye bye. See, the clock is saying bye bye. It is 10. It is 12. It is 10 minutes to 12 in the clock, not now. So bye bye. Have a nice day.